Hi, let us understand how to create initial parameter for a servlet and pass the value for the initial parameter and use it within the servlet. An initial parameter can be created using the annotations within the servlet as well as it can be created as a part of web.xml. Now we are going to see how to create it using the annotations. Using the web.xml, we will be seeing it later point of time. And this is supported from Servlet 3 and above. So I'm going to create a new servlet and add initial parameter to it. Let me go ahead and create a new branch for it. Team. Switch to new branch. Servlet. Initial Param. Tomcat server is running. Let me go ahead and continue. That's not going to create any harm. Let me go ahead and create a new servlet. New other servlet. So I'm going to give a name to the class. Say next. And it will ask me the option whether I wanted to pass any initial parameter. In case if I wanted to pass, I need to provide the name and value to it. Let me provide the name of the initial parameter as maximum record per page and value as 20. So I am passing an initial parameter with the key as maximum record per page and the value will be 20. And this will be applicable only to this specific servlet. The same way I can have a parameter common to all the servlets as well, that we will be seeing it as a separate section. So the servlet is created and here I do have the annotation web init parameter and the name of the parameter as well as the value corresponding to it. And this will be applicable only to this specific servlet, and within the servlet I can go ahead and read the value corresponding to this particular initial parameter and use it within the class. Let me go ahead and read the value. So I'm going to call the method getInitialParameter, and that is available as a part of the servlet class that we are extending. HTTP servlet class, the getInitParameter is part of it. And I'm going to ask for the value corresponding to the parameter max record per page. Let me go ahead and execute this specific servlet. So I'm going to execute this specific servlet, run on server. So the server is in the stopped state. It will start the server and deploy the application. And that's going to read the initial parameter corresponding to this specific servlet and print the value. So it is reading this initial parameter and printing the value as 20. This will be used to set the initial values to be passed to that specific servlet or the default value that needs to be set specific to the servlet. So in a quick summary, we have seen how to set the initial parameter to the servlet and how to read the value corresponding to the initial parameter and use it within the get or post method.